Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to upgrade fence in Dark War Survival. If you've been wondering how to upgrade your fence in Dark War Survival, here's a quick guide. The fences around your city can be upgraded directly. Instead, their durability improves as you level up your city gate, which is connected to your watchtower. The first big fence upgrade happens when you reach level 17 on your watchtower, increasing your fence durability by 300 and slightly changing its appearance. The second major upgrade happens at level 22, adding another 300 durability, though this one takes a full day to complete. Beyond that, the continuing to level up your watchtower and city defenses strengthens your entire perimeter, making your base more resistant to zombie attacks. Stay active, keep upgrading daily, and your city will grow safer and stronger over time. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.